Hi children, this is Shankar. Welcome back to Max video classes. In the previous video, we complete the lines and angles topic. In this video, we are going to discuss the triangles. First, what is the definition of triangle? A simple closed figure formed by three line segments is called a triangle. Example, see the figure. ABC is a triangle. What are the parts of a triangle? There are three parts in a triangle ABC. First, three sides, three vertices, three angles. How many sides in a triangle ABC? There are three sides: AB, BC, CA. Next, how many vertices in a triangle ABC? There are three vertices: A, B, C. Next, how many angles in a triangle ABC? There are three angles: angle A, angle B, angle C. The next topic, classification of triangles based on sides. First one, equilateral triangle. What is the definition of equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the sides are equal in length is called an equilateral triangle. Example, see the figure. ABC is a triangle and all sides are equal in a triangle ABC. So ABC is an equilateral triangle. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. This is the mathematical notation. One important property in equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. So angle A is equal to 60 degrees, angle B is equal to 60 degrees, and angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Second one, isosceles triangle. What is the definition of isosceles triangle? A triangle in which any two sides are equal in length is called an isosceles triangle. Example, see the figure. ABC is an isosceles triangle because AB is equal to AC. Any two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC, or AB is equal to BC, or AB is equal to AC, or BC is equal to AC. Any two sides are equal in a triangle ABC. The triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is the mathematical notation. This is the mathematical notation. Next, one most important property in an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So angle C is equal to angle B. AB is equal to AC. Angle C is equal to angle B. AB opposite angle, the side AB opposite angle C, and AC opposite angle B. AB is equal to AC, so angle C is equal to angle B. Scalene triangle. The third one is scalene triangle. What is the definition of scalene triangle? A triangle in which any two sides are unequal. Any two sides are unequal in length is called a scalene triangle. Example, see the figure. ABC is a scalene triangle because AB is not equal to AC, or AB is not equal to BC, or BC is not equal to AC. So the triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. In a triangle ABC, AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. So angle A is not equal to angle B is not equal to angle C. In a triangle ABC, the three sides are unequal. So the three angles are unequal. Next topic, classification of triangles based on angles. First one, acute angle triangle. First one, what is the definition of acute angle triangle? A triangle in which all the angles are acute. What is the definition of acute angle? What is the definition of acute angle? An angle in which less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees is called an acute angle. So each angle is less than 90 degrees in a triangle ABC. So the triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. See the figure ABC. Each angle is less than 90 degrees. Angle A is less than 90 degrees and angle B is less than 90 degrees. Angle C is less than 90 degrees in a triangle ABC. So the triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Next, right angle triangle. What is the definition of right angle triangle? A triangle in which any one angle is right angle. Any one angle is right angle. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees or angle B is equal to 90 degrees or angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Any one angle is 90 degrees. So the triangle ABC is called right angle triangle. Example, see the figure. ABC is a right angle triangle because angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And angle A and angle C are acute angles. Because the sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. One angle is 90 degrees and remaining two angles sum is 90 degrees. So angle A and angle C are complementary angles and acute angles. So angle A is less than 90 degrees and angle C is less than 90 degrees. Third one, obtuse angle triangle. What is the definition of obtuse angle triangle? A triangle in which any one angle is obtuse. Any one angle is obtuse. What is the definition of obtuse angle? An angle in which less than 180 degrees and more than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle. So triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. See the figure ABC. In a triangle ABC, one angle is more than 90 degrees, angle B is greater than 90 degrees, and remaining two angles, angle A and angle C, are acute angles. Angle A is less than 90 degrees and angle C is less than 90 degrees. One angle is more than 90 degrees. So triangle ABC is called an obtuse angle triangle. Okay children, the next video we will discuss the congruence of triangles. Thank you for watching.